In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Wix website with HTTPS, ensuring that your visitors' data is protected every time they browse your site. Now, if you've ever wondered what HTTPS is, let me explain. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, or HTTPS for short, is a secure method for sending and receiving information over the internet. What makes it secure is the SSL certificate, or Secure Sockets Layer certificate, which acts as a digital verification tool. It verifies the identity of your website and ensures that the connection between your browser and the website is secure, much like a digitally sealed envelope for your web data. So, with these essentials in mind, let's get started on making your Wix site secure. The first thing you need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll want to select the specific website you wish to secure. After choosing your website, look to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where much of your website management takes place. Under Settings, navigate towards the Domains section. Click on that to proceed. Now, if you haven't already acquired a domain, Wix provides a convenient option to purchase one directly from them. This way, your new domain will automatically include an SSL certificate, which is a fantastic addition. However, if you already own a domain, you'll need to connect it to your Wix site manually. Make sure to follow the instructions provided by Wix during this connection process to ensure a smooth transition. Now, it's important to remember that patience is key here. Once your domain is connected, it may take a bit of time for the SSL certificate to be fully installed and for the HTTPS protocol to become active. This period is known as propagation. And while it can sometimes seem a bit lengthy, it's a critical step in securing your site. Once you think everything should be in place, there's a quick way to make sure it's all working correctly. Open your website in any web browser. At the URL bar, you should be able to see a small padlock icon right at the beginning of your site address. It's a reassuring little indicator that tells you your site is secure. Also, check to ensure your URL begins with HTTPS than the less secure HT. This visual confirmation signals that all your hard work paid off and your site is now safeguarding your visitors' privacy. And there you have it. Your website is now secured and your visitors can enjoy a safe browsing experience. Thanks for joining me today and happy site building.